Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so this is at Wanchai Road, which is in Wanchai, and it kind of goes towards Causeway Bay. So I'm just going to kind of show you. There's these trams right here, so you can see this right here. So the trams are on the track. So the track goes all the way across Hong Kong Island from east to west. So it's kind of more of a touristic value. So a lot of them are there for touristic reasons. It's really slow. It's not very efficient, but it's quite beautiful to look at, and it's you know, kind of a cool looking thing. I'll just let it go by and I'll just focus on it. A lot of times they're like colored with pretty cool murals and things like that. So there you go. So kind of cool, it's very narrow. There's another one. So these just keep coming. Another black one right there. So I have to stay right here for now, and then we'll go down Wanchai Road. So here comes the next one. Wow, this space, probably a pretty cool place to advertise or something. I wonder how much it costs to do that. Okay, so we're gonna walk down Wanchai Road. So I'm just gonna show you another video as it's showing you about this, and it's kind of cool, these wraparound windows like that. But actually a lot of these ones, you know, like that's all solid windows all the way down. So I really like Hong Kong and the way that it is. Kind of busy crosswalks. So, okay. So this corner is kind of a cool little corner, so let's kind of show you. Here's the one side, and here's the other side. So alright, so we're gonna walk down Wanchai Road for a little bit. Got a phone shop. A lot of these roads are pretty crowded with a lot of people. This bamboo you see right here is for scaffolding. So let me just see if I can so we're just in this alley, there's some scaffolding right here. So you can actually climb up the scaffolding, and they'll use these bamboo and this bamboo and just creating more scaffold to scale a building and do their construction work. So you can see more of the scaffolding right here, and you can climb right up there. This one looks like it's maybe been there kind of semi-permanently. So okay, you keep walking down Wanchai Road. Basically just shop after shop after shop after shop, and lots of people living way up there. So okay, so I'll just show you some of this. Let's see, restaurant. Borough Street. Kind of a cool looking street. Japan Cut House. So we're still walking down Wanchai Street. Let me just check out this Japan Cut House real quick. $10 minutes, 60. So I don't know. I might get a haircut. So this is what my hair looks like right now. Get a haircut and I'll try to attach it and let's see what it looks like. So okay, we're gonna continue on Wanchai Road. That was Borough Street. It's gonna get a haircut. It's only 60 Hong Kong dollars, which is almost nothing. But there's a little bit of a line right there, so I don't want to get a line, but I might come back for that. another Mallory Street. Yeah, actually some kind of cool stuff. Like this one looked kind of cool on the other side too. So another okay. The bus system. Third Street. We'll just keep walking down Wanchai Road. Music shop. So, okay. I'm gonna walk a little bit fast. Actually, what I'm gonna be doing is going around to get this computer store that I need to get some stuff for this camera. This road kind of winds a little bit, so I was gonna go up to that Manning shop there, and you can kind of get a feel for the city anyways. So, all right. So we'll just keep going a little bit further. The Wanchai Road is gonna keep going down this way, but I think we kind of hit some of the more interesting stuff anyways. Okay. So Wanchai Road, we'll stop at the basketball court. Actually, we'll go down one of these things. So, okay.
Chiquinha,